Step 1. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for a security license in Wisconsin, you need to meet the following conditions: be at least 18 years old, be legally allowed to work in the U.S., pass a criminal background check with no felony convictions. Wisconsin offers an optional 30-day temporary license if your background check comes back clean. You must request it during your application and it cannot be renewed. You cannot carry a firearm while working under a temporary permit. The full license is state issued and portable, so you can work for different employers without applying again, but your employer must notify the state within 5 days of hiring you. Step 2. Training if required. Wisconsin doesn't mandate specific training hours for unarmed security guards. However, employers often require or provide training covering topics like legal use of force, emergency procedures, and report writing. Training is typically conducted in person by the hiring employer. Costs vary. Some employers cover training expenses. If your employer provides in-house training, you'll usually get a certificate or some form of documentation. Step 3. Fingerprinting and background check. Wisconsin requires a criminal background check. After submitting your application through the license portal, you will receive instructions on how to complete the fingerprinting process. This is conducted through the Wisconsin Department of Justice. The fee is $7 per background check. Step 4. Submit the application. Applications must be submitted online through the license portal. Required documents include background check results, government-issued photo ID, passport-style photo, application fee. Step 5. Cost breakdown. Let's break down the full cost to get licensed in Wisconsin. Background check, $8. Regular license fee, $27. Optional temporary permit fee, $10. Total cost without the temporary license is $35. With it is $45. The 30-day temporary permit is optional. Some employers may encourage you to request it so you can start working sooner. Whether you or your employer covers that $10 fee depends on company policy. Some may reimburse it. And just for reference, the median income for unarmed security guards in Wisconsin is about $17.61 per hour, or $36,630 per year, based on the most recent federal data. Step 6. License approval and delivery. Once approved, your license will be issued. The license will be available for download through the license portal. You must carry your license while on duty. Step 7. Renewal. Renew your license every 2 years. Licenses expire on August 31st of even-numbered years. The renewal fee is $27. The late renewal fee is $52. Step 8. Get hired and stay informed. Now that you're licensed, you can start applying for jobs using sites like Indeed. Check r/guard guides for job leads and licensing discussions. Consider becoming a channel member for emojis, member shoutouts, and early access to videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.